Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my ReactJS course. In this video, we will learn about the forwarding refs. In the previous video, we have seen the refs, how to add a ref to the DOM element, and also for the how to add a ref to the component. Also we have seen, and also we have seen the callback refs. How to get the child component, okay, child component HTML, child component HTML into the parent component. We have seen, right? So we will be able to get the HTML into this one. This video, what is this one is, we will be forwarding the ref, whatever the ref we have created in the parent component. So we will be forwarding this one to the child component. Okay, so how we can do this one, let's try to see. So the previous one is nothing but we are accessing that one, so one and the same only, but here we are creating a ref in the parent and we are sending it to the child component. So forwarding refs, what it will do is intermediately how many components you will be having, also it will be sending it to the refs things. So ref is not something like property prop thing, sending like that it will not work. Ref is a separate concept. So that is the reason we cannot send ref to the child components and all those things. So using this forwarding ref, we can send the ref from parent component to the child components. So we can send it. Let's try to see in a simple example. Here we are having one, we will create some folder that is nothing but the forwarding ref, and here I am creating one component forwarding ref button. Okay, I will create a button forwarding ref button .js. So here I will write export default class. Okay, export default class forwarding ref button extends component, right? So here I will be having a constructor of props and I will be sending the props to the super parent constructor, and here I will be having the render. In this render I will return div, and here I will be having one button, so click me or something like this. Okay, and here what I will try to do is, so let's add the class name is equal to bg hyphen green hyphen 600 text hyphen white px hyphen 3 py hyphen 1. Okay, now we will be having the forwarding ref button, this one. So now I need to add a ref to this one. So how we will be adding the ref here? So by creating the button ref here, so this dot button ref is equal to what we will write here, react dot create ref we will add, and we will attach this button ref to here, right? So but now this button ref will not be in the forwarding ref button, it will be in the parent component. Let's see. So here I am creating another one, something like parent forwarding ref, okay, .js. So here I will be having export default class, okay, parent forwarding ref, okay, extends component. So in this one what I will try to do is, I will try to create a render, and in this render, so previously I will be having one constructor props, and here I will be having super of props, and here what I will try to do is this dot button ref. I will create a button ref inside the parent component. So this is a parent component, and here I will write something like react dot create ref. Okay, create ref. So I am creating react dot create ref. Let's import the react here. Okay, now in this render method what I can do, return, so div, I will add the div, and here I will be having the forwarding ref. So the forwarding ref button, so component I am having as a child component. So here what I will try to do is, I will try to pass this ref is equal to this dot button ref. Okay, so this dot button ref, I will be passing this ref to here. So here we are having everything, right? Let's go to the app.js, and here let's try to call the same div thing. Here I am keeping, and here I will call parent forwarding ref. Okay, so this is the parent forwarding ref. Here I am having the forwarding ref button, and this is the parent forwarding. So here we are having the as a child component forwarding ref button, and here what we have did, we have created a ref in the parent component and we are sending it to the child component. So here we cannot directly access something like this dot props sorry, this dot props dot ref, we cannot access this one. Why? Because ref is a separate type of things, so it cannot be it will not come as a props thing. So now how can I access this ref in the child component so that I can attach this button here? So let's try to see. So here we will be making use of this forwarding refs. Okay, so previously what we have did, using the callback refs, we have sent the method to that one, to the parent, so that the element we are storing it here, but here we are creating the ref here and we need to forward it to the child component. Okay, so now how can I access is, so here let's remove this class. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to create React. Let's import the React, and here I need to return, instead of directly returning this component, so React dot forward ref. So we will be having a method React dot forward ref, and this one will have two parameters, props and ref. We will be getting the props and ref, and here we will try to, sorry, here we need to add export default. Okay, so here I need to return, okay, what I need to return, this forwarding ref button. So here I need to return forwarding ref button, and I need to pass here, what I can pass, input ref or otherwise button ref, whatever the name you want you can keep it, and here I need to pass the ref. Okay, so here whatever the ref you will be getting inside this React forward ref, you will be getting it as a second parameter ref, and the props thing, everything you can pass it directly like this, sorry, props, and you can access this ref here, button ref, inside this one like this directly, this dot props dot button ref. Okay, so this is the React dot forward ref. Here in the parent component we have directly mentioned this one as a ref, so we cannot access directly using this dot props dot ref in the child component. So for that reason we need to use this React dot forward ref, and we need to return this component, so that in this one we are sending that ref as a props here, so we are accessing the props here. So now let's try to see the output. So if I try to see the output here, okay, so click me, I am able to see the click me button here, and in this one what I will try to do is I will try to create one h2 forwarding ref. Okay, now if I try to see here, now we are having this one, right? So now I want to check whether the button element came into this parent component or not. So let's try to check component did mount, and in this component did mount, what I will try to do is I will try to console.log this dot button ref. Okay, so I will try to console.log this dot button ref. If I try to console.log this dot button ref, see here you are able to get the button in the parent forwarding. So the current we are getting as directly as a current. In the previously in the callback refs we are directly getting the element, but here we are getting the ref object, everything we are getting the ref object. That means we are creating the ref and we are passing that ref to the component, so that that ref will be accessed in the child component directly, instead of calling it as a callback method and all those things, getting only that element. We are like that, we are not doing, we are using this one. So here if I want to do, I can directly change this. I think we can change, I think so. Here this dot button ref dot current dot, try to change the value, or otherwise inner HTML is equal to Leela web dev or something like this. Okay, whether this button will change or not, we'll try to see. So here what I am trying to do, I will try to refresh it here. So it is not changing. So what I will try to do is, so for example current dot value, will try to change it as value. We'll try to do the value of changing, for changing this button, whether it will change or not. Still it is not changing. Why it is not changing here? Let's try to check here. Let's try to see the current element, whether we are getting the current element or not. So here I am getting the current element. Okay, so let's try to change this click button name. Let's change, let's get the inner HTML, whether we are getting or not. Now here, yeah, we are getting the click me also. Now what I will try to do is, I think previously I wrote some spelling mistake or anything. So here I will try to do Leela web dev. Okay, now let's try to see the output. Here if I try to see here, the button has been changed. The button is in the child component and we are passing the ref from the parent component to the child component, and we are accessing the child component, child DOM HTML element in the parent component. Okay, So these things will be using rare cases, but we need to be aware of this one. Okay. So the advantage of forwarding ref is we can pass it that ref to the inner child components also. So whereas in the callback refs it will be not possible. So why? Because we are having the ref and we can use it react.forward ref directly into the inner child also, like that. Okay. So let's try to see. So how we can forward this one? We'll try to create one higher order component and we'll try to create that one, and we'll try to send from parent component to the inner child component, like that. We'll try to send the forward ref. We'll try to see it in the next video. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.